The dish we're making today is such a staple of Moroccan cuisine that you will find it in any important event. Weddings, engagement, baby showers. You will always serve people this type of beef with prunes. And there's a really good reason for that. It's both sweet and savory. It has caramelized prunes, a taste of cinnamon, the crunchiness of almonds, blossom water, and it really comes together very well. So let's just make it. First, dry roast half a cinnamon stick, 1 star anise, 4 cardamom pods, 4 clove buds for a minute or 2 until they start to pop and release the aroma. Run them through a grinder, and that's it. You technically can use any cut of beef or lamb for this dish, but you have to agree that the tail looks cool. Now take the biggest white onion you can find and cut it into medium cubes. Then 4 medium garlic cloves, chopped very fine. A small bouquet of cilantro, tie it up. We want to cook with it, but we don't want it to be in the sauce, so we're going to remove it later. Add 150 ml of hot water to a pinch of saffron and let it cool down. I'm going to use my pressure cooker for this dish to save some time. If you don't have one, you can cook it in a regular pot, but it will take longer. Set your stove to medium-high heat. Add a tablespoon of vegetable oil. Add in the meat, 3/4 of a tablespoon of sea salt, 1 tablespoon of pepper, cumin, ginger, turmeric, the spice mix we made, and the garlic. Brown your meat for at least 10 minutes. Add your saffron and the bouquet of cilantro. And optionally, you can add a tablespoon of fermented butter, aka ghee. Dump in all the onions, mix everything up. Close your pressure cooker and cook for about an hour. If you're using a regular pot, that will take you anything between 2 and 3 hours, depending on how young the animal was. If you can cut the meat with a fork, you're good. Fish out the cilantro and save roughly 100 ml of the sauce and let the rest reduce until it gets really thick. Now take 250 grams of prunes, that's roughly half a pound. Cover them in hot water and let them sit for 10 minutes. On medium heat, melt 20 grams of butter or 1.5 tablespoons. Throw in a cinnamon stick and cook for 2 minutes. Then add in all the prunes, mix it all up, cook it for another 2 minutes. Add 2 tablespoons of honey. And 2 tablespoons of orange flower water. Cook now on high heat. Bring it to a boil first and then add all the sauce. Keep stirring until the prunes starts to balloon. That means they are ready. On high heat, toast a few almond flakes for a minute or until they get some color. That's all. Plate the meat first, add in the sauce and the prunes, then their orange flower caramel. Top everything with almond flakes and white sesame seeds. And you're ready to serve. And that's pretty much it. I hope you liked the video. I hope it's clear. If you have any questions, as usual, let me know in the comments. If you like this video, you know what to do. I actually have guests come in today, so I can't really just like dive in, eat the whole thing. So I have to wait. So I'll just pick a prune and some onions and a little bit of meat. Pretty good. Fun fact, when I was a kid, I really hated savory and sweet mixed together. Good thing I grew up to enjoy it. Let's try the prunes, some onions. Oh yeah. It's really something you would imagine that Gordon Ramsay would make, but it's just made by generations of Moroccan women that perfected this dish throughout the years, for which I'm very grateful. Hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time.